All right, it's 8 a.m. in downtown Canon City, heading to Phantom Canyon Road and then High Park Road. Not sure exactly what it'll all be like, but it's a beautiful day. On to the gravel. I haven't been here since November, almost exactly 5 months ago. Feeling good. So the plan is, when I get to Cripple Creek, instead of descending the very rough shelf road, I'm gonna go on to High Park Road, which I know nothing about really, except that it's paved. I love all these rock cuts. "24 miles in, I am surprised and pleased to report that the rest areas are open. Alright, I've climbed about 3,200 feet. We're getting ready to do the one huge switchback on this route, and then eventually back to pavement. All right, we're at 9,400 feet, a little over 4,000 feet that I've climbed. A few more miles and then we get to the weird ghost, not ghost town of Victor. Pigs. Victor. I'm gonna go through Victor and then up to Cripple Creek and probably refuel and then on to High Park. I'm at 55 miles in. It got really, really crazy windy and cold at Cripple Creek. Stopped and filled up water. And now it's lovely again. So High Park Road is just non-stop rollers, up and down, up and down. But I think this might be the last big up. Just kidding about the last climb. They just keep coming, and now with a headwind. Mile 86, the real last climb. Pretty nice way to end this ride. Epic views, no cars.